what I like most and what made me come back to MAF is the impact. It's the impact. Probably an expectant lady that would have had difficulties delivering in a certain rural hospital, being brought to a place that she can deliver safely, or seeing somebody who requires medical attention, maybe surgery or such kind of things. Seeing that person being brought to a place where that life can be saved. Also, we are also involved in humanitarian aids, like when we take drugs, when we take medicine to people who are, they're sick. That impact, touching that soul, touching that person is what drives me. And every time I remember and I know that the work I do will save a life somewhere, it gives me more morale to do it better and to do it efficiently.